In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook business messages. If you manage a business online, keeping track of customer messages is crucial. Facebook has brought a lot of its tools together under something called Meta Business Suite, and that is where you'll find and manage your business messages from Facebook, Instagram, and even WhatsApp. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what you'll see, so you don't miss any important conversations. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can usually get there by visiting the Facebook business URL or by clicking through from your Facebook business page. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that has access to your business assets. Once Meta Business Suite loads, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left-hand column, look for the option labeled Inbox. This is where all your customer conversations are grouped. Go ahead and click on Inbox. If you manage multiple pages or profiles, just double check you're in the correct business at the top of the screen before you continue. When the inbox opens, you'll automatically land on the All Messages tab. Think of this as the central hub for your communications. This tab brings together incoming messages from different channels, so you can see everything in one place instead of jumping between separate apps. You'll see a list of conversations on the left, and when you click on any one of them, the full message thread will appear on the right. To focus specifically on your Facebook Messenger messages, look near the top or side of the inbox for the channel filters and click on Messenger. This will filter the view so you only see conversations that came through Facebook Messenger. This is especially useful if your business is active on multiple platforms and you want to respond to Facebook messages first. You can open any thread, type your reply, and send it directly from here. If your Instagram account is connected to your business in Meta Business Suite, you can manage those direct messages in the same place. Click on Instagram in the channel options. The inbox will now show only Instagram direct messages, organized just like your Facebook messages, making it easy to reply quickly and keep your tone consistent across platforms. Lastly, if you've connected a WhatsApp business number to your Meta account, click on WhatsApp in that same area. This will display your WhatsApp chats inside Meta Business Suite, so you can read and respond without needing your phone in hand. And that's it. By using Meta Business Suite and its inbox, you can access and manage all your Facebook business messages, along with Instagram and WhatsApp, from one central, organized place.